Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is another wonderful day, the 30th, only one day to go for May to end, and then we enter into June. We're going to look at the NFP in June. All right, so today is on the 30th of May. 30th of May. It was a great day yesterday. The analysis that we did yesterday, look at it, and how the market is still pushing down. Look at this. Yesterday's analysis. If you did not get this, I don't know what you're waiting for. This analysis was on point. We had potential aggressive sales below this point. All you need to do is to wait for this candle to close. Let me push this so that you can see well. All you need to do is to wait for this candle to close down here. Take this as the entry, put your stop loss over here, and look at that. Take profit. 1 hit, 2, 3, 4, even exceeded, went to 5. And even it's past. Now this is the this is the daily resistance. The daily resistance has been broken as well. The daily support, sorry. The daily support has been broken as well. Look at this. So probably we're going to be waiting for a retracement over here or a close of this candle and then continuation to the downside. But let's do the analysis and see. So congratulations to everybody. This was amazing, amazing, amazing. Everybody that took this trade should have made profit right now. It should be in profits right now. In very massive profit. Look at this. Wonderful. This is a win. This was a major, major, major win yesterday. All right, so let's look for today's. Let's see what we have today. On the USD, we have the GDP. Nice. This is going to move the market. 330, it's going on. Market is going to move. Unemployment claim is there again. And then we have the prelim GDP as well, the quarterly reports. Then at 5 p.m., we have the pending home sales. Okay, these are three major news that are going to move the markets, definitely. So let's look for the technicals and be very sure. Remember, at 3:30, the market will be moved by fundamentals, not technicals. So you ought to be aware of that. Don't be caught unawares in the market. Nice, nice, nice. I'm super excited. At least we made a major win. We have a major win this week. The whole week basically has been in profits, but yesterday's was great. Yesterday was amazing, just amazing. Yesterday was just amazing. Let me do a bit of setting up for this. Extend to the right, something like that. Change the colors, background. We make it a bit yellow or whatever. Actually, we can work with white this time. Middle line, the borders, we can give them something like that. Yeah, it's just trying to make it a bit different from what we used to. Yeah, I think we can work with that. All right, great. So let's get ourselves to this point. Let me see. I don't know why I needed to be filled. Yes, I needed to build something like that. Great. So let's work with this. Let's work with this color over here. Is it even visible? No, it's not. Yes, we're gonna make it visible like that. All right, so monthly resistance again, consistency again. We're gonna do it again and again and again until we get it, the point where everybody now understands what you're supposed to do in the market. Monthly resistance, monthly support. Let's go down to weekly. We go down to weekly. We have the level over here, which is now the weekly support. And you can see the market is headed there now. The market is headed to the weekly support. What do we have as a daily support? As the daily support, it's broken. So the market just broke the daily support that is here. It hasn't really, we can't really say it's broken completely because the candle hasn't closed. Once the candle closes, that's when we're going to be talking about the place being broken. So we're going to put it still there. All right. We're still going to put it over there. So we say this is a daily support. It's still active. The market hasn't, A complete break will be when this candle closes below, but it hasn't broken. It hasn't closed below yet. So we cannot really settle on saying that that's a low. Okay. Here we have H4 highs. You have the H4 highs over here. H4 resistance. All right, go down, go down, go down, go down. We have to observe the H1, the most immediate H1 resistance over here. Very important over there. 30 minutes, what do we have in 30 minutes? Same. Okay, it seems like for the buys is going to be a long call. It's a long shot for the buys, but for the sells, looks like they're already planning themselves out. So it's below this wick over here. Below that wick over there. We need to look on the left and see where the market could be headed to. We need to look at this area. So the market is ranging, okay. So we expect the market to come down to this area. And then to this area over here. So I have to mark those two areas, and also I need to mark this where this wick is, where this wick came over here. Yep, like that. So basically, when you look at where the market is right now, and the candle has closed, it's a 30 minutes candle closed, let it do a retracement. We let it do a retracement on top. Okay, seems nice. But you know what? Just for the sake of me being safe, I would want to take the sales from, I want the sales to break that low. Yeah, over here you can do some very conserved risk, but then over here you can actually just release your sales. But anyway, we have a very nice formation over here. I don't really want to, you can do a very small entry over here, but not the major one that you're used to. But over here, this will be the best, will be the safe. I will write this as a safe sales. Safe sales below this area, 23.22, 23.22, 23.22. That will be some safe sales over there. All right. TP1. We need TP2 over here. We need TP3 down here. All right. Should we have more pressures? We'll continue as we go to TP4 down there. But as at now, oh, this is safe sales. Yes. Safe sales below that point. Trust me, it's going to be worth it to wait. It's always worth it to wait. Always worth it to wait. Your stop loss is going to be just above that resistance over there, so that you can extend all the way down to this point. All right, so that's the setup for the sells. For the buys on the other side, oh, okay. Not unless we maximize on these buys, but I need now to go down to a lower time frame and see what we can get. Don't really like the buys. I'm not really liking the buys. But you know what? We have to find an order. So anyway, either way. Okay, I will say aggressive buys above this point. Aggressive buys above, what area is this? 23.29 area, 23.29. Aggressive buys over there, and long position. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna put the aggressive buy and stop loss very tight, of course. Take profit one over there to H1 resistance. And then as you can see, as we go up, we have other areas that needs to be checked, like that one over there, like that. Okay, so we can call this TP1, TP2. Like that. All right, so probably we can do something like that. Okay. All right. So this is what we're going to be looking at today. This is what probably we're going to be expecting to see today as the market. Oh no, TP1 is over here. 2 is over here. Yeah, 3 is the one over here. Okay, that will be 4. We'll name it if the market gets there. But this is an aggressive entry. Eh? It's an aggressive entry. This one is just when the market comes up on top over here. We have a candle close over here. The next candle in. Stop loss here. Push all the way to that point. And it's aggressive because there's a probability that this candle would close up top of here. Then instead of the next candle going up, it will come back down. So that's why I'm calling it aggressive. All right. You see why I didn't want to jump straight into the market? Because this market, it has to decide if it wants to continue going down. It has to decide. And by it to decide, this candle needs to break this low for me to enter the sales. All right. Great, guys. Let's keep an eye on that. Let's keep an eye on that. Congratulations to everybody that took the trade yesterday. That was a massive win. That was a massive win. Let's look at it today and see what we can get from this market. All right. Trade carefully. Risk management. Use very good risk management on yourself. Remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Okay. And also remember 3:30, there are very important news at 3:30. The GDP on the USD, this is going to be crazy. Unemployment claims as well is going to move the market. Pending home sales as well is going to move the market. All right. So be careful. Don't be caught in that on the wrong side. Okay. So the news, probably if the news comes in, whatever the day the effect will come out, of course, they may have even this candle going all the way up. Even if it looks like this, the buyers don't look like they're going to work, but maybe the news can drive them up. I haven't really done that, checked on the fundamentals very to be very sure of it. But in terms, if you consider technicals, this is the setup for the technicals. All right. For the fundamentals, we shall do the fundamentals when the fundamentals get here. All right. In the evening. All right, guys, take care and have a good day. Do not risk your capital, right? Risk the amount that you can afford, right? Have a good day and trade wisely. All right. Happy hunting, guys. All right.